Hi folks, today I'm going to be taking a look inside the box of Kowa's latest spotting scope, the new TSN-88 PROMINAR series. Let's take a look inside. Before we take a peek, the first thing to say is that this is one stunning box. As boxes go, it's absolutely beautiful. Really lovely texture, it just screams a premium product. First things first, let's take it out of this nice green sleeve that sports the PROMINAR logo. There's a little handhold grip at the end. Just pull that straight off. Let's flip the box around so you can see the front edge. We have a lovely PROMINAR logo here embossed on the front, and this flap here is magnetised. It's just a case of lifting that up to reveal the contents inside. Okay, so what have we got here first? We've got a nice carry pouch. It's a very soft suede-like material. It's got the PROMINAR logo on the front, and this is a carry bag, a carry pouch for when you're not using the scope out in the field. You can store the scope in here. It's got some ties at the top, and it's got the nice PROMINAR branding and just feels a real quality bag. Now we reveal the next layer. This is a very nice matte laminated finish here. We get a glimpse of the spotting scope body underneath, and we also have some paperwork and what looks like an accessory. Let's take a look at that now. Let's take a look more closely in this compartment on the side here. What have we got? First thing is a clip-on aiming sight. This is a new little accessory, so it goes onto the angled body by the eyepiece, by the bayonet mount, and that's just a further visual aid to help you locate your subject more rapidly. What else do we have in here? An envelope with the PROMINAR logo. This is actually a nice cleaning cloth branded with PROMINAR, so you can help to keep your objective lens and the other elements clean. And then it looks like there's also some paperwork in here. Get started, so this is just a small card. It's got a QR code on the back, so you can just scan that with your phone and go straight to the instruction manual. There's also the web address there if you want to use a desktop PC. And finally, we have the warranty information here. We've got the serial numbers of the scope and the eyepiece and the warranty information tucked away in the box there. I guess it's time to now reveal the spotting scope underneath. So there's a little thumb hole here. We'll just take out this layer. That's the nice moulded matte laminated protection lid there. Let's take a look at the scope. The spotting scope in this box is the TSN-88A, which is the angled version. It's also the zoom kit, so that comes supplied with the TE11WZ Mark II eyepiece, which is the 25 to 60 wide zoom. Let's take a look at the eyepiece. It's in the matching green carry pouch, and that's nice green soft suede style material. We've got the PROMINAR embossed logo on there. Okay, we've got some straps there so you can fasten it. Let's take out the eyepiece. Okay, we've got some bubble wrap for extra protection. Here we go, here's the eyepiece. So we've got the protection cap there, we've got the bayonet pack there. This is the TE11WZ Mark II. So it's got the markings on here for both the 99 and the 88 scope. And when you put it on the 88, it's a 25 to 60 wide zoom. And finally, let's take the scope out of the box. The box is moulded around the shape of the scope for extra protection, and it's also in this bag here. Let's take a look. And there it is. The new 88A angled model. We have the objective lens cap on the front here, and we also have the bayonet mount protection cap there. There's the Kowa system collar. It's just a stunning looking scope, and the box really is stunning. So I can't wait to go out and put this scope through its paces. I'm looking forward to doing some digiscoping with my smartphones and my Sony DSLR camera. Really looking forward to see what the new improved light transmission does. Can't wait to go out in the field with this scope. Keep an eye out on the YouTube channel for Kowa Sporting Optics. There's going to be a lot more content and videos coming soon. Comparisons with the old 880 model, some digiscoping activity. We'll take you through all the features, so stay tuned.